Hey all, Stand Up Gamer here with another vlog, and today I'm going to be exercising a freedom that anyone living in America has, and that's to buy stuff. I saw this really cheap AM4 CPU on sale at Microcenter for like 50 bucks. It's the AMD R5 5500, and I am not at Microcenter right now. I'm actually going to be at the Central Computers, and I'm going to find out if they can price match Microcenter. A long time ago, we had a lot of computer stores to choose from, but then Microcenter left, and all we were really left with was Central Computers. I did buy a lot of stuff from them. They've been super helpful, and it's just really nice to have an actual computer store that you can go to. But now that Microcenter is back, I'm curious to see how Central Computers is. So today we're going to find out if they can price match Microcenter. It's funny that they own this entire building, but the actual computer store is only one level. And here we are. Not much people here, it seems. They've got this cool little TV set up to show their sales that are current. I always like coming to the case section to see what they've got. Oh, they also have the retro Silverstone. I've seen photos of this case online, but never in person. Really cool that they're using cloth here. It is quite different. I'm not sure how useful it is, but it's still neat. And then they have their small form factor PCs. Got the ridge here, kind of cool. Pretty neat. They have some of these small parts here, like this is a power button that you can use, or a reset switch, is up to you really. So that's kind of neat. Wait a second. I think I want this. For $1? It's like a 90-degree adapter for the USB header. $1? Yeah, I'll get this. Bummer they don't have the SF1000 on sale here. For a while I actually wanted this. This is a AIO that's like supposed to be low profile, that fits right over an ITX motherboard. It'd still be neat. I've actually been on the hunt for a specific RGB fan that I really can't find anywhere. I wanted 92 millimeters, slim, like 15 or 14, but with RGB and white. Almost impossible to find. I did order some from AliExpress, but my assumption is it's gonna get stuck in customs. So, we'll see. Holy schmoly, we've got a 5070 for MSRP. And we've also got a 580 for MSRP. Not bad. But unfortunately, the RTX 5090 is well over MSRP. 3,000, 3,500, 3,300, 26, 29, 28. Now I can't remember if the 9070 XT MSRP is 649, but it's 649 here. I do have an air filter when I solder already, but I wonder if I can 3D print something like this. Like the hose. Maybe TPU. I think it's possible. And of course we have Anime Girls Horse Racing. And it's pretty cool, they have a sim rig set up here too. Do you guys do price matching with Microcenter?
We can try, yeah.
Okay, I was looking at the AMD 5500. You said you guys have one here in stock.
That one we did not price match. We're already sold below our cost.
I see, okay. So I just finished shopping at Central Computers, and the price match scheme was a bust. You know, I went ahead and asked them, you know, could you price match Microcenter? And they said, sure, we'll try. And they grabbed the item, scanned it up, and basically they said no. They said that the price they had was already low, and they weren't willing to price match it. However, I was still able to exercise my freedom of consumerism, and I got this 90-degree conversion for the USB 3.0 on a motherboard, and I'll show it being used in a future build, but it cost me $1, so that's kind of a win. And now I'm feeling a little deflated. I don't know if I want to drive to Microcenter to buy the 5500 anymore. I didn't really need it. It was more of like a just, you know, kind of on a whim splurge. I do have sort of a need for it. Basically, all my other CPUs are like APUs. And so I wanted a CPU that was strictly a CPU without a built-in graphics unit inside it. And so, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe when I start the car, I'll feel differently. But right now, I don't know if I want to go into another store. I actually hate shopping. I don't know if anyone agrees with that. But in case I don't go to Microcenter, thanks for watching. And hopefully there was some entertainment value to this. And but I am still happy I got that 90-degree adapter for the USB 3.0. And if you like this, give it a like. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And if you want to see sneak peeks of my future cases, make sure to follow my Patreon link. Thanks a lot.